And taking a closer look now, a care facility in Thunderbolt is set to close, leaving families rushing to find new homes for their loved ones. As WSAV's Nikaya Harris tells us, a recent report reveals serious safety violations, including patient deaths linked to improper care.
Patient deaths related to feeding and incorrect diets are just some of the failures here at the Thunderbolt Care Facility, according to Representative Jesse Petrie. Now families are scrambling to find a new home for their loved ones.
It kind of makes you just kind of feel like you're just going to shove them wherever you can find a spot, whether or not it's a good fit for them or not.
The Thunderbolt Care Center has over 100 residents, leaving families scrambling after the announcement of its closure. Representative Petrie breaking the news on Friday to many who say they hadn't been notified.
And they've had no communication. And so what really frustrated me is they didn't see this coming.
The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in a December report says the center has been out of compliance for at least 6 months, including multiple immediate jeopardy situations. In one case, a resident on a pureed diet was given a sandwich and later died from choking.
So those other 12 nursing facilities, whatever occupancy they have is going to fill up quickly. And my fear is that our folks are going to have to move out of county or maybe out of the region.
Beth Lewis's mother became a resident in 2022, and she tells me she's not surprised by the backlash the center is receiving.
She doesn't have too many issues, but I can see that there are issues. Like as soon as you walk in, you can kind of tell that the place is not properly kept.
She says her family was notified Monday afternoon of the closure from the center, and with a little over a month left to find a new home, she says her family has more questions than answers.
So what happens to the people that don't have a spot somewhere else? What do you do with those people? Do you send them home? What if they don't have homes anymore? Like, for example, my mother.
Representative Petrie says residents will need to be relocated by July 12th. Reporting in Thunderbolt, Nikaya Harris, WSAV News 3, on your side.